Hello, today we will guide you through how to add a payment method on Whop. To begin, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main landing area where you can access your account features and navigation options. Once the page is fully loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen. That is where you will usually find your profile account icon or account menu. Click on your profile account at the top right. This will open a drop-down or account menu with several options related to your profile and account management. If you do not see it right away, give the page a moment to finish loading and make sure you are signed in to the correct account before continuing. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences, billing details, and other personal account options. Settings is the section you will use whenever you need to update account-related information, so it is a helpful place to remember for future changes as well. Once you are in Settings, find and click on Payment Method. This section is specifically for managing how you pay for purchases or subscriptions on Whop. If the wording looks slightly different on your screen, look for the Billing or Payments-related option that leads to your saved payment methods. After that, click on Add Payment Method. This will open the form or secure payment window where you can enter the details for a new card or another supported payment option. Before moving forward, it is a good idea to make sure you have your payment information ready so the process goes smoothly. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. Whop will guide you through the required fields and any confirmation steps needed to add your payment method successfully. Take your time when entering the information to avoid mistakes, especially with details like card numbers, expiration dates, or billing information. If the platform asks you to verify anything, complete that step before closing the page. Once everything is submitted, your new payment method should appear in your account's payment settings. If it does not show up immediately, refresh the page or return to the Payment Method section and check again. This can help confirm that the method was saved properly. And that's it. You have now learned how to add a payment method on Whop.